Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. The running topic is circles. Okay, so already last class we discussed some problems. Okay, now this is 10th class. See here next question, continuation of the next question. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing through -2, 3 and 4, 5. See here, observe carefully. The center of the circle lies on which one, sir? X-axis and passing through -2, 3 and 4, 5. Okay, na? See here, like this one. This is the coordinate system. So this is the origin. This is which one, sir? X-axis. This is which one, y-axis. Here, this is the center we are taking. Center lies on x-axis. Okay, na? Center lies on which one, sir? X-axis. This is the center. Center lies on x-axis. That's why here minus g comma 0. Any point lies on the x-axis must consider its y coordinate is 0. The center lies also x-axis. That's why center is only we are taking minus g comma 0. Okay, na? See here. Next, observe carefully. So this required circle passes through which one, sir? -2, 3 and 4, 5. Here -2, 3. This is the point which one? -2, 3. Here the point 4, 5. Center lies on x-axis and the required circle passing through -2, 3, 4, 5. See here we have already formalized there. The center of circle lies on x-axis. In that case, the general form of the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. Center lies on y-axis. Here center lies on which one, sir? X-axis. Here center lies on y-axis is there. In that case, x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here in this case, center lies on which one, sir? Y-axis. The general form of the circle whose center lies on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. The center lies on y-axis. Then the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So see here. Now here the required circle center lies on x-axis. Okay, now solution. Okay, na? Let s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. Okay, na? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Since center lies on which one, sir? X-axis. Here we are writing since center lies on which one, sir? X-axis. Otherwise we have general form of the circle is there. What is the general form of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is the general form of the circle equation. Okay, na? Here center lies on x-axis. That's why we are taking this one. Here -2, 3 and what is the value, sir? 4, 5. -2, 3 and 4, 5 lies on the circle which one, sir? S is equal to 0. So these 2 points lies on the circle. S is equal to 0. Here s of -2, 3 is equal to 0. That implies here x is equal to -2, y is equal to 3. Here -2 whole square, y is equal to 3 square. Here 2g into x is equal to -2 plus c is equal to 0. -2 whole square is nothing but 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 2g into -g minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. 9 plus 4, 13. Minus 4g plus c is equal to -13. Okay, na? Minus 4g plus c equal to -13. This is the equation 1. We are taking equation 1. Next one, here what is the number? S of 4 comma 5 is equal to 0. S of 4 comma 5. This 4 comma 5 also lies on which side to sir? S is equal to 0. S of 4 comma 5 equal to 0. That implies x square. That is nothing but 4 square plus 5 square. Here 2g into x is equal to 4 plus 2f into y is equal to which one sir? So no need of this one, only x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is there only. 2g into 4 plus c is equal to what is the value? 0. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 2g into 4 which one sir? 8g plus c is equal to 0. 25 plus 16 which one sir? 41. Here 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. This is we are taking equation 2. Here there is which one is there sir? Minus 4g plus c equal to minus 13. 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Now we are doing here equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. What is the equation 1 sir? Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Next, what is the equation 2? 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. There is subtracting, that's why signs will be changed. Here minus plus sum. Here plus c minus c cancel. Okay now? Plus c minus c cancel. Minus 8g minus 4g minus 8g minus 12gm is equal to here plus 41 minus 13. Okay now? Plus 41 minus 13 is equal to what is the value sir? 28. 28 plus 28. Here observe this one. 12g minus 12g is equal to what is the 28. G is equal to 28 by minus 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. That's why G is equal to what is the value? Minus 7 by 3. Okay na? So G is equal to minus 7 by 3. Substitute G is equal to minus 7 by 3 in equation 1 or equation 2. We get the C value. Substitute G is equal to minus 7 by 3 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? This one. Minus 4g plus c equal to minus 13. Minus 4 into g is equal to what is the value? Minus 7 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. Minus plus 7 into 4, 28. 28 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. Okay now? First all of you note on this one. All of you must and should maintain the fair notebook. Okay na? Write down neatly, all of you. So next see here continuation. 28 by 3 plus c equal to minus 13. Here c is equal to, here what we are getting sir? C is equal to minus 13 plus 28 by 3. There we are taking right side minus 28 by 3. C is equal to 13 into 3, 39, minus 39, minus 28 by 3. So minus 39 minus 28 by 3 means here minus 67 by 3. Here C is equal to minus 67 by 3. Okay now? Here substitute which one sir? G is equal to minus 7 by 3. C is equal to minus 67 by 3 in which equation? S is equal to 0. What is S is equal to 0? Required circular equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 be the required circular equation. Here x square plus y square plus 2 into g minus 7 by 3 into x plus c. C is equal to minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Here x square plus y square 2 into minus 7 minus 14 by 3 x minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Now we are taking the LCM. What is the LCM value, sir? 3 is the LCM. That is nothing but 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. So 0 into something is equal to what is the value? 0. Okay, na? See here, this value is of, now we are simplifying this one. Here, what is there, sir? 3x square plus 3x square plus 3y square. Here minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. Be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. So the center lies on which axis, sir? X axis. Okay, na? All of you note down clearly. So this problem completed. All of you note down clearly. Next is see here. See the next question. Third bit, first one. Find the equation of circle passing through each of the following three points. There are four problems are there. First problem 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. See here, in that case we are finding the circle equation. There are the 3 points are there. 3, 4. Next here 3, 2. And also which one, sir? 1, 4. Here also which one, sir? 3, 2. Okay, na? 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, na? In that case, now we are finding the circle equation. The required circle passing through how many points, sir? 3 points. What are the 3 points? 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, na? 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. See here. Solution. See, let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. Here these 3 points 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 lies on which circle, sir? The required circle. What is the required circle? S is equal to 0 is the required circle. Here 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Here lies on which circle, sir? S is equal to 0. Lies on the circle S is equal to 0. Here that's why then here we can write which one, sir? Then S of 3, 4 is equal to 0. S of 3, 4 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 3 square, y is equal to 4 square, 2gx 2g into 3 plus 2f into y is equal to which one, sir? 4. Okay, now x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 plus c is equal to 0. Here 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 2g into 3 and 6g plus 2f into 4, 8f plus c is equal to 0. Here 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. There is nothing but minus 25. There is plus 25. We are taking right side minus 25. 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. This is we are taking the equation 1. What is the next point, sir? 3, 2. Here s of 3, 2 is equal also we are taking 0. That implies since this point lies on which one, sir? Required circle. That's why we are taking s of 3, 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we are taking s of 3, 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 square, y is equal to 2 square, x square plus y square, 2g into x is equal to 3 plus 2f into y. What is the y, sir? Y is equal to 2 plus c is equal to 0. 3 square is equal to 9, 2 square is equal to 4 plus 2g into 3. Here what is the value? 6g 2f into 2 4f plus c is equal to 0. 9 plus 4 13 amma. Here 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. This is we are taking equation 2. Okay na? Equation 2. Next here what is the third point sir? 1 comma 4. S of 1 comma 4 is equal to 0. That implies here we are substituting x is equal to 1, y equal to 4. Here 1 square plus y is equal to 4, 4 square. Here 2g into x is equal to 1 plus 2f into y. What is the sir? Y equal to 4 plus c is equal to 0. Here 1 square is equal to 1, 4 square is equal to 16. 2g plus 2f into 4, 8f plus c equal to 0. Here we get which one sir? 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 1 plus 16. Which one sir? 17. This one we are taking right side. Minus 17. 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. This is we are taking equation 3. Here observe this one. What is the equation 1 and equation 2? Here 6g is there. That's what we are doing. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Here we are doing equation 1 minus equation 2. That implies here equation 1 that is nothing but 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. Equation 2. Here 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. Okay na? Minus 13. See here. So now we are subtracting. Here minus, if you are doing subtraction, signs will be changed. Minus plus sum. Okay na? There is minus plus. Plus 6g minus 6g cancel. 8f minus 4f. Here also plus c minus c cancel. 8f minus 4f is nothing but 4f. Okay na? Here minus 25 plus 13. What is the value here? Minus 12. F is equal to minus 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Here f is equal to what is the value? Minus 3. Okay na? F is equal to minus 3. So all of you note on this one first. Here we got which one sir? F is equal to minus 3. So and also same way we are observing here equation 1 minus equation 2 completed. Here what is the number? 8f is there in the equation 3 also 8f. Now we are doing equation 1 minus equation 3. In that case we are solving equation 1 and equation 3. We get which value sir? G value. Next we are doing equation 1 minus equation 3. Here we completed equation 1 minus equation 2. Now here we are doing equation 1 minus equation 3. Here equation 1 minus equation 3. That implies what is the equation 1 sir? 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. What is the equation 3? Here 2g plus what is the Rama? 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. Now we are subtracting minus plus. Okay na? Here plus 8f minus 8f cancel. Plus c minus c also cancel. Here 6g minus 2g. What is the remaining value sir? 4g. Here minus 25 plus 17. That is nothing but here minus 8. Here what we are getting sir? G is equal to 4g is equal to minus 8. G is equal to minus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Here G is equal to which one sir? Minus 2. Here substitute G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 3 in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. We get which one sir? C value we are getting. Okay na? So I am substituting which one sir? Substituting G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to which one sir? Minus 3 in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3 we are getting the answer. Okay na? Now I am substituting in equation 1. Here what is the equation 1 sir? 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to what is the value? Minus 25. Substituting g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. 6 into minus 2 plus 8 into f is equal to minus 3 plus c is equal to minus 25. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. 8 into 3 minus 24 plus c is equal to minus 25. Here minus 12 minus 24. What is the value, sir? Minus 36 plus c is equal to minus 25. C is equal to 36 to minus 25. Here c is equal to 36 to minus 25 is equal to what is the value? 11. Okay now? Now we are substituting g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 11. In which equation, sir? Substituting in the equation s is equal to 0. Okay na? Substituting the equation which one, sir? S is equal to 0. Here substitute which one, sir? G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to which one, sir? Minus 3. C is equal to which one, sir? 11. In the equation which one, sir? S is equal to 0. What is S is equal to 0 equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the circle equation, required circle equation. That's why here s is equal to x square plus y square 2 into g is equal to minus 2 into x plus 2 into f is equal to minus 3 into y plus c is equal to 11 is equal to 0. Here x square plus y square, x square plus y square 2 into minus 2 minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Be the required circle equation. So this required circle passes through which one, sir? 3 points, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay na? All of you note down this problem. Okay na? So remaining 3 problems are there. Do the 3 problems homework. So this one, g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to, so the required circle equation which is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0 be the required circle equation. Okay na? All of you note down clearly. So remaining 3 problems are there. Try to the 3 problems homework. So see here, in the third bit first question total 4 problems are there. So first problem completed amma. So same this method do the remaining 3 problems amma. Try 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6, 2, 1, 5, 5, minus 6, 7. Fourth problem 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 3. Okay na? So this one completed. Remaining these 3 problems homework. Try to these problems must and should. Okay na? So we are expecting one long question from this type of questions. Okay na? So we are expecting one long question from this third bit. In the third bit these questions are important. Find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. Find the show that the given 4 circles are concentric. Next, sorry, concyclic. Show that the given 4 points are concyclic. That type problems are there. So that problems are very very important. Concyclic. Okay na? Show that the 4 points are concyclic and find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. This type of problems are very very important. We are expecting one long question from these 2 type of questions only. Okay na? All of you do this problem homework. So first problem completed. Try to second, third, fourth term. There is another method is also there. So I will tell the another method tomorrow. Okay na? So all of you try to these 3 problems, remaining 3 problems homework. Okay.